Oh God, what now?
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, southern Wood County in northwestern
Southern
Ohio,
Wood.
Hancock County in northwestern Ohio until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:29 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Macomb, or 7 miles northwest of Findlay, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-size hail.
Nickel.
Source, radar indicated.
That does not look
Impact.
good.
Expect damage to trees and power lines.
Bro.
Locations impacted include Findlay, Bowling Green, Fostoria, North Baltimore, Macomb, Arcadia, Rawson, Van Buren, Bloomdale, Signet, Portage, Jerry City, Plainfield, Benton Ridge, Mount Corey, West Mill Grove, Bairdstown, and Bascom. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Hancock, Seneca, and Wood.
Hold on.
At Supreme Court. Passover?
Special weather statement for the following counties in Ohio: Defiance,
Well, I just not a man for you, whether
Putnam, and Williams. Strong
25
thunderstorms will impact portions of Defiance, Putnam, Eastern Paulding, Henry, Southeastern Williams, Allen, and
289.
through 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of the County. 55 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and pea-sized hail. Source, radar. Urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Hancock, Sandusky, Seneca, and Wood.
Oh.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 26, effective until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties.
Wait, hold on. Let me
Ohio,
see if I can get this on the,
Seneca, and Wood.
Let me see.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm
Let me
watch
see.
means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
Putnam, Sandusky, Seneca, Wood, and Wyandotte counties expiring Thursday, 7 p.m.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 26 has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Hancock, Sandusky, Seneca, and Wood.
Yep. There we go. First severe thunderstorm watch of the year. Let's go. Let me actually see if they're gonna do it on the TV, because I know that they do it. Give me like 1 second while I try to figure this out. Wait, hold on.
We supply the latest available information for Northwest Ohio over station WXL 51 from Holland on a frequency of 162.500 megahertz. An urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, northwestern Wyandotte County in northwestern Ohio, southern Hancock County in northwestern Ohio, until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Ada, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bluffton, Forest, Arlington, Van Loo, New Regal, Cary, Mount Blanchard, Wharton, Genera, Mount Corey, and Williamstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Hancock, Seneca, and Wyandotte. This is no.
Whoa, SVA again?
An urgent weather message. For the following county, Ottawa, Ohio,
Ottawa.
severe thunderstorm watch number 26 remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and now includes the following county, Ottawa, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 26 remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and now includes the following county, Ottawa, Ohio. Urgent weather message.
Okay.
For the
Bro, I swear to God, I just saw either lightning or thunder back over there. Let me see if I can get it.
30 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 30%. Friday night, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of snow showers in the evening. Lows in the upper 20s. West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
There we go. There we go. Back there. Back there. Back there. Back there is where it came from. Oh, god dang it. Stop zooming in randomly. No, but back there, like right back there, is where the last thing happened. No, but seriously, this is cool. I should probably get inside, though. I'm being stupid. But, like, right back there, like, right behind those trees, you see a flash. I swear, I'm not kidding. It's, like, really bad, though. I'm probably over-exaggerating, but come on. This setup is really cool. Bro, no freaking way. January, what are you doing? January, what are you doing? Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bro, look at that. Look at all that. Look at all those clouds, man. I get the... Did I just see thunder or lightning? I'm stupid.
A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard
But that
Time
looks
for
beautiful,
northwestern
though.
Ohio.
Come on.
The urgent weather message.
I'm not
For the
gonna
following
deny it
counties
doesn't
in
look
Ohio,
nice.
Hancock,
At
Sandusky,
least.
Seneca, and Wood.
It's
Severe
like...
thunderstorm watch number 26
It
remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for
looks
the
like
following
it's coming
counties
this
in
way, but I
Ohio,
don't
Hancock,
know.